Hey, it's EK from EK Gorman Designs, and I'm sneaking in here with a quick haul video. I just got a whole bunch of fun stuff in from I was gonna say WRC, yeah, from White Rose Crafts, and it's all like this huge collection of stuff. So I thought I'd share it real quick with you. I'll warn you, I'm doing this while my family's up and wandering around. Everybody's kind of a zombie right now, and I'm hoping to sneak in this little video while they're all zombieing. But if you hear somebody come in and go, "Mom," that's my life. Anyway, here's the haul. Where did I put my stuff? There it is. It came in 2 packages, one of which is sticking out of this one. It didn't come in this package. This one came in another package, but I stuck it all in this bag so I would remember what it is. Here we go. Lots of fun stuff. Ooh, one more thing. There you go. So here we go. Let's go check and see what I got. So, have you heard of Craft Around the Clock? They have, so I got some stuff from them. This is the Craft O'Clock paper set. I've opened this one because I had to see the papers. Each paper is double-sided. Look at that. It's moody, and in the moodiness of the paper, I'm in absolute love because, I don't know, there just comes a point where you're tired of bright and bold and you need something. And look, and in the paper it comes with its own banners that you can cut out. Or you can use the other side. So yeah, and then this is a European company. It's from, this is where you, Poland. Yes, I was going to guess right. So one side is in Polish and the other side is in English. And that's really fun because, I don't know, it's really fun. It makes it significantly more diverse and optional. So there you go. There's the papers, and then here is the matching ephemera sheet. And I don't know, can you see that they just kind of here? I'll be a big girl. So, even when you cut it, sometimes it doesn't work. But they just pop out. So you have 3-dimensional die cuts without any actual having die cutting work. So there's the Craft O'Clock stuff. Let's see, what else did I get in my haul? Sometimes I forget what I order. So Halloween is coming up and it is time for Halloween stuff. So I ordered Woodware, which is a UK store. I ordered their Halloween stamp set, and I ordered it specifically for this one. For the Halloween spider. And then when it got here, I was like, wait, there's stars? Wait, the itsy bitsy spider? Like I ordered it because I fell in love with that. And then everything else came into picture. And I was like, oh wait, this was actually a really good buy. This wasn't like a one and done. Because I could see using this in so many ways, in so many places. But the rest of it, I'm very excited about now. So there's that. And then I got, from me and my big ideas, they're just stickers. See, they're 3-dimensional stickers. I'm reading the back because sometimes I enjoy it. Anyway, so I got the 3-dimensional Halloween stickers because I'm a big fan of sometimes making things simpler for myself. So there's that. What else is my Halloween? Oh, so I got the paper pack. Let's see if I can do this. Come on. You can do it, you can do it, you can do it. Okay, so the paper pack from Spellbound. Single side Halloween themed paper, but it's not like, okay, so that one's a little bit more, but they're really kind of subtle. You could put them with lots of different things. The paper isn't going to be the star of the show. The paper is going to be what's in the background. So that's why I got this one, because I like the idea of it being background. But then I also got this one from American Crafts. And you're going to have to deal with it because it's a 2-side cut. Come on. You can do it. You want to cut. I know you do. And this one's 36 pieces of paper, 18 designs. But these are, whoop, I'm knocking things over. What you don't know is in the field of not my camera is a nightmare and a mess. But I got these because I thought I could make some really great lunchbox cards quickly for my kids for school for the month of October with this paper. And like, again, it's clearly Halloween, and it's, oh, I didn't realize it was textured. The polka dots are textured here. Like, there's a bunch of black glittery texture. Anyway, that's the paper pack from American Crafts. So that's my Halloween stuff that I picked up in this haul. And then I got some stuff for fall. I have been a big fan of this stamp set for quite some time, so now I have it. I know, it's just a teeny tiny little one from Lawn Fawn. However, it's the pumpkin spice one, which you can use just coffee, but you're the pumpkin spice in my latte, and I love it. And then I also got for fall, I am new. This is the first time I've ever gotten a stamp set from them. But it's out of Holland, so it's fun because we've got a whole bunch of languages I don't normally see on the back. But this is Lily Luna, and this is the oak tree. But I got it for fall. Let's see if I can. There we go. I got it for fall because of all the pretty leaves, and I don't know, she's really cute, and you can stick at the card. So it's one of my fall purchases, so I can have my little. And the last thing I got, because I ordered on a whim a couple months ago a Kelly Creates stamp set, traceable stamp set, and then I didn't use it forever. Well, then I did, and now I'm obsessed. So I got another one. So I got another Kelly Creates traceable stamp set, and this one's got all these big, beautiful letters, and it's got a combination of all kinds of things you can say, like let's go, choose, balance with, joy, story, faith, deeply, life is beautiful, and there's, see, haha, I can do it without opening, and you belong here. So you're going to see me tracing a lot more because I'm kind of obsessed with the idea of this, of having beautiful, I've tried brush lettering, I can't do it. But this allows me to have a brush lettering effect that's mine, even though I'm tracing it. So there you go. There's my haul. Lots of stuff for fall and Halloween. And then trying out the brand new to White Rose Crafts Craft O'Clock paper set. Anyway, thanks for visiting. Talk to you later. Bye.